Hey y'all, welcome to September with 31. I am so excited to share with you guys, well, it's normally my top 5 picks if you follow me on YouTube, but this month is going to be my top 6 picks for the month of September. So here we go. All right, number 6 is the Me Crossbody. If you guys watched last month, you know this was in my top 5 picks also. But I love this because my cell phone can fit in here. I have an iPhone 8 Plus. It fits right down inside here. And then you have 3 card slots. 1, 2, and then 1 in the bottom. So you can be totally hands-free when you are out shopping. Look at that. Love this. This fits most smartphones. So my iPhone 8 Plus will fit in here with plenty of room to spare. I actually have room for my chapstick in there. So if you know me, I don't go anywhere without my chapstick. So the Me Crossbody, it comes in twill stripe. It comes in this dot trio. And then it also comes in the 2-toned weave, which is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. And then you can also have the flap embroidered here. It has a magnetic closure, and then your flap can be embroidered. And if you are in my customer group on Facebook, then you saw all of these that I sold at my last party. This was my #1 seller at my last party. And I even had one lady embroider her monogram in caramel. This is a caramel flap, and she embroidered her name in caramel, or her monogram in caramel. It was so beautiful. So this is the Me Crossbody. This is number 6. My number 5 pick is our Photo by 31 charm. So this is something that is brand new to 31. Our whole Photo by 31 is brand new, but our charms are also new, and I am just so in love. So what you do is, if you do the photo charm, you can upload your own photo and have it put on a charm. So here are my children. Oops, got it turned around. My lighting is not that good down here. So that is my my 2 children. I just uploaded their photo, and then I put it inside the charm. We also have all different kinds of charms. I'm just going to show you my catalog right here. So you can choose the background if you want to do any of these, maybe the footprints or the little boy profile, or that we have a girl profile, letters, monograms. There's all different kinds of things you can do. And then you can choose the different color background of your charm. So these right here, of course, are in hot pink, but you have black, several different options to choose from. So they told us today in our leadership call that our Photo by 31 charms had sold 10 times what they projected. So that is amazing. And I don't know where you can go to where you can upload your picture on a piece of jewelry for $22. I don't know where you can do that except for Photo by 31. So I hope that you will play around on my website, upload your photos, see what it looks like in the charm. We also have pillows, wall art, and our table gallery. And if you don't know what that is, scroll down on my page and watch that video about my my favorite passion product for this season. That's the table gallery. But anyways, this is the photo charm. I love having my children so close to me every day. This is also in our charm catcher necklace, so you can have several different charms. Love this necklace right there. Okay, my number 4 pick of something that's brand new. This is the Creative Caddy. Okay, this is in the Falling Feathers print. Love, love, love. I love that it has the long handles to where you can use this on your shoulder. So if you're carrying it anywhere, you're good to go. Okay, so what makes this so great? Okay, this is part of our Get Creative line. We have several different products where our creative line come into use, but this is probably one of my favorites, okay? So what it is you have this carry-all just like this. The inside is a big open section, but the sides, each side flaps, it buttons, and then it flaps down. So let me see if I can show you guys a better. So when you unbutton this flap right here, you have 3 little pockets. So we're gonna pretend like this is a home, maybe a homework station, or if you homeschool your kids, this would be a great little homeschool thing. So I have crayons in here, I have glue, I have markers. Then you have this right here. It's a little zipper pouch right here, and you can store anything that you need to right here. And what is a great little idea for you guys is to put a clear piece of paper in here, zip it up, and then your kids can use this as a dry erase board. So if they're doing math problems, doing homework, or maybe this is your caddy for church to keep your kids quiet, this would be a great idea for them. So all you do is you can just leave it flat. My camera is not showing you guys. So you can just leave it flat like this and they are good to go. Write their math problems on here, however you want to use it. But, and then the other side, I'm gonna zip or button this closed. Well, maybe I was. The other side also unbuttons. And you have a elastic pocket right here, a little mesh pocket. And then this flap right here also has a pocket. So I put some scissors and some erasers in here, and then you also have a pocket right here. You have a little Velcro tab, and I put pencils in there. So this could be used if you're a crafter, if you're a knitter. This could be great for you if you are traveling and you want to carry your things with you. That would be great. On the inside, I actually have some of my son's books in here. So this is just kind of a great size comparison. This is like a full size, well, this is a space book, but this is like a full size composition notebook. So it fits perfectly down inside here. So each season I always get asked, what can I use for my Bible bag? What can I use? This would also be a great Bible bag for you guys. This is my huge study Bible. It fits perfect down on the inside. Sunday school material goes right down in here. And then you could trade out the markers for tissues, trade out the crayons for hand sanitizer, and you guys get the gist. So this is this could be a great little church caddy as well. So many uses for this. And if you guys have any idea or any other ideas that I didn't mention, which there's so many more, please leave them in the comments for me because I would love to know how you would use this. Okay, so this is the Get Creative Caddy. Okay, number 3 is the Around Town Tote. So this is part of our customer special for the month of September. I love how sleek and classic this tote is. It comes in black, merlot, olive, also comes in caramel. So many choices you guys can choose from, but this is just a classic look, whether you're going to work or maybe you're going out on a night on the town, whatever it may be. I love this Around Town Tote. You can embroider a large monogram on here. This is the large single letter, but you can do a large monogram. And then we have our signature cell phone pocket back here. I actually have this paired on the inside with our Super Swap It pocket because I love structure and organization inside my bags. I like those zipper pockets and the elastic pockets. So this is the inside of the Around Town Tote. You see right here you have 2 flat interior pockets and a zipper pocket. And then, like I said, I pair this with the Super Swap It pocket. That way my tote has organization on the inside. Ooh, looky there, what's in there? I'm gonna show you guys that in just a second. So this is the Around Town Tote. For every $35 that you spend in the month of September, you can get this for half price at $39. So this is a steal for the month of September. Get your hands on that for sure. All right, the next thing is, this is number 2. This is the Colorblock tote. I love this. I've been carrying it ever since that it came in. This is in the Ooh La La Olive. It also has the olive twill stripe right here. You can put your monogram right here in the middle. And also, like the Around Town Tote, you have a place for our signature cell phone pocket. And on the inside, you have the 2 flat interior pockets and the zipper pocket. This does have a button closure on the top, and I have this paired with the Swap It pocket, which is the baby to the Super Swap It pocket. It's a mouthful, but this is great. It has the same pockets, elastic pockets. You have zippers on both sides to store extra things to kind of help give you a little bit more in structure inside your purse. This also comes in tan, and then the black and white twill stripe on this side, and then it also comes in black, and then these sides are our lovely leopard print, which is so beautiful. Okay, so my number one pick, oh, this is, oops, I forgot. This is also on sale for the month of September. So for every $35 that you spend, you can get this Colorblock tote for $36. It's half price this month, you guys. This will be the only time all year round that these three products that I'm about to show you are 50% off. Okay, and the last but not least, my number one is the All About the Benjamins wallet. So this is on sale for $24 for every $35 that you spend. This is my favorite product that we sell. This is in Merlot. Look how gorgeous this is. I've added a wristlet strap on here. It makes this wallet so much more functional and usable, and you will love having the wristlet strap on here. I actually unbutton the button right here on the wristlet strap, and I put my keys on there when I go into the grocery store. But if you need an organizational wallet, this is your go-to wallet, okay? You have your card slots right here. This is where I keep my cash and my receipts. Then in this section right here, my iPhone 8 Plus can fit in here. You can also keep your, maybe your checkbook. You have a change purse right here. And then flip it kind of over to the side. And you have card slots here, a little extra section right here, and then a pocket back here to keep your, you know, I keep my insurance cards and things like that I don't use that often, but I still need in my wallet. I keep those back here. And then you just zip this all the way up and you are good to go. This is the All About the Benjamins wallet. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed seeing my top 6 picks this month for the month of September. So I hope that you will follow me on YouTube. Just click that subscribe button, and also in the links I will post, or in the comments I will post all of the links to every product that I've showed tonight, and I will post the link to my customer group on Facebook so you guys can connect with me on Facebook, and I can show you tons of more things. So anyways, I hope that you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.